Hello, in this video I will show you how you can change alarm sound on Google Pixel 10. First of all, open the settings. From here go to sound and vibration, and here you are able to find alarm in the sound patterns section. So open it, and here you can find some of the sounds that you can enable as your alarm sound. So let's take this one for example and click save in the top right corner. As you can see, I have a different alarm sound. So basically also you can set your custom audio file as your alarm sound by going to the alarm, go to my sounds and click plus in the bottom right corner, and here you are able to find your audio files and if it's not showing up on the main page, you have to click on the icon in the top left corner and go to the audio, and here you are able to find your audio files from your Google Pixel 10. So let's take this one for example and click and select it on this page over here. Click save in the top right corner, and basically that's how you can set the custom alarm sound. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe.